Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can remove payment method from Google Play Store app. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Make sure to put your likes under this video and write your comments after watching it. So friends, let us get started with you. First, you will need to open, of course, the Google Play Store app itself. Next, on the top right, click on your image. Now select Payments and Subscriptions here. Next is the payment method. After that, friends, you will need to select additional payment settings. This will take you to a website like this, where you can see all the payment methods that you have attached to your Google Play Store. And if you want to delete any of them, just click on Delete at the bottom under it. Then confirm your action. And as you can see instantly that payment method, it will be removed. That's the quick and very simple way to remove payment methods from your Google Play Store. I really hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Please don't forget to write comments, also put your likes, subscribe to this channel. Take care.